Hey y'all, it's Ashley. This community I'm interested in creating innovation in is Saginaw, Texas, where I'm living at right now, Eagle Mountain ISD community. The city has a huge grain mill, a train center where trains meet. It's urban and small knit. The demographics of the population is the following. White alone percentage is 74.4%. Black or African American is 6.6, Native American is 0.6%, Asian alone is 1.6, Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islander is 0.6, two or more races is 6.7%, Hispanic or Latino percent 38.3%, white alone non-Hispanic or Latino percent is 51.4%. Information that stood out to me in the data is how much is provided in the mentoring programs here in Saginaw. The John Ed Keeter Public Family Library includes adult literacy, English speakers of other languages, English for speakers of other languages, English conversation, GED, U.S. citizenship preparation, and basic Spanish. It stands out because it's free knowledge to better equip locally here in Saginaw. Yes, data points that I confirmed with, for example, was Community Link, the food bank locally here, because my church that I go to, United Methodist Church in Saginaw, was donating cereal for kids to have the other day. Discoveries that pushed my thinking was that I found public transport. The only ones locally are Uber and Lyft services. And considering with how expensive it can turn out, people with disabilities can't afford to be overspending to transport to and from work each week. Some things that surprised me was the realization of how many accessible recreational facilities there are, like the YMCA for adults and kids alike. I was surprised by how close by and how many there are around here. The connection of empathy in social enterprises is critical because an authentic impact on your local community begins with imagining the struggles of, say, being a single mom with kids in school, or being without a home with no access to things we take for granted, such as food, showers, a bed to sleep on. Designing methods can, as it states in the text, design thinking can be applied as a science rather than through art. End of quote. That's by Gobble 2014. So imagination broadens horizons and visions set design in motion. Thank you, and y'all have a great week.